The Water for All Partnership is an EU-funded initiative for scientific research and innovation for the water sector. Its goal is to tackle water challenges to face climate change, help to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and boost Europe's competitiveness and growth to achieve a water-smart society. The Pillar D of Water for All, led by Water Europe, intends to demonstrate the efficiency of innovative solutions through the water-oriented living labs. This is a series of interviews to the frontrunners of water-oriented living labs that will join forces and collaborate in the next phases of the program. Enjoy the series.
The DESAL Living Lab fosters an innovative, collaborative environment for research into water desalination solutions in the Canary Islands, emphasizing public and private partnerships and collaboration among researchers, companies, and water-related entities, facilitating quick access to resources for researchers, desalination industry, manufacturers, and end users. This dynamic ecosystem facilitates the exploration, experimentation, development, testing, and validation of sustainable water desalination solutions, including the water energy nexus and brine management. By providing test bed areas, infrastructures, and essential field tools, DESAL Living Lab emerges as a front-runners in research and development in the water desalination sector, driving economic and sustainable development. The DESAL Living Lab initiative addresses water scarcity, yielding societal, economic, and environmental benefits. At a social level, it improves water accessibility, knowledge, and training, fostering community well-being. Economically, it generates knowledge and economic and employment opportunities. At an environmental level, it promotes sustainable desalination practice, optimization process, achieving greater efficiency and lower energy consumption, thus improving the availability of water resources, and especially important today to confront the effects of climate change. Ultimately, the DESAL Living Lab drives positive impacts on local communities, positioning desalination as a catalyst for socioeconomic progress and environmental stewardship, but also serves as a global hub, offering unique infrastructures and expertise to address the pressing water desalination challenge worldwide, emphasizing the critical water energy nexus. The DESAL Living Lab faces challenges in technological innovation, funding, governance, and stakeholders' engagement. Collaborative approach and seeking partnership are being crucial in overcoming these obstacles. Recognizing desalination's significance in water planning and socioeconomic development, we commit to advancing sustainability through research, development, and innovation in the Canary Islands, a desalination hub for 60 years. Addressing challenges such as energy efficiency and brine valorization, we have achieved very significant milestones, garnering regional and international interest. Our focus on advanced technological developments and disruptive technologies aligned with industry challenges. Regarding our DESAL Living Lab, the core of our technological planning will continue to support the desalination industry to reduce the carbon footprint, minimize the environmental impact through high efficiency measures, and finally, to promote smart desalination.